It's a well-known fact that the world is a cruel place. Even to something heavy and made of metal, like your car, anything can happen. While you may think your car has an immaculate exterior, a closer look will likely reveal a variety of damages like scratches and dents that you had no idea were there. At Toyota of Clermont, we're all about automotive perfection, and we're here to help you if you're looking to repair those scratches and pull out those dents. Treating scratches and dents is all in a day's work for one of our many auto body repair experts. Here's the process that goes into repairing a scratch or dent. First, like with any repair job, the scratch or dent is inspected to determine the extent of repair that needs to be done.
Pretty much, we get a range of what we call PDR, paintless dent repair type of damage, and we have the more extensive, cars that get keyed down to bare metal through primer.
This part is critical because it determines the overall cost and time it will take to complete the repair plan.
Being in a centralized zone here in Orlando, we get a lot of different kind of foot traffic, things that get towed in and things that can be driven. That can be pretty broad. Paintless dent repair, could be $50, and if you're doing a whole side of a car, it could range, $2,500. It all depends on color, the extent of this scratch, the damage on the scratch. If the scratch created a dent, if it's something that can be buffed out, buffed out type of repairs we do as a courtesy. You know what I mean? It's something that we want to show the public, hey, we're here to help. We're not just here to take money.
Depending on the type of damage and the extent of it, an auto body repair specialist will begin working. This can entail anything from non-painting damage repair or body filling and sanding.
For some dents, we do have paintless dent repair, where they can just pretty much have access to the backside of that dent, push it out.
For dents, an auto body repair expert could work to realign the misaligned part by pulling out the dent and repainting the area.
Others are going to be more extensive, sand down to get down to bare metal. We heat the panels, pull the dent out. We don't just put Bondo on it.
After the auto body repair specialist has completed the repair, it's time to put on the finishing touches. This process involves reapplying clear coat to the area to seal in the repair and blending the color to match the surrounding area.
Get rid of that damage, feather it out so that way the body lines are back where they're supposed to be before we prep it for paint. That's what makes it a perfect repair.
Our auto body shop will be coming soon to Toyota of Clermont. In the meantime, schedule your appointment with our sister store, Toyota of Orlando, today at 407-298-6006.